I have logged onto the software using the email address and password I registered with, and have entered the first screen, which is called Project and Channel Detail. As it's the first time I've logged on, the system is assuming I have no previous projects to work on, and so is asking me to enter a new project name. This I do here, and click Add. Our new project now appears in the control panel on the left of the screen, and has created my first run to start work on. I can add as many projects and as many runs within each project as I need, and they will all be controlled from this panel. Also within the control panel is more information on the ACO products that are currently available. I can click to get more detailed information directly from the ACO website. Okay, let's move on with my first run and start inputting some data. We can see that this is run 1. I can change the number if required, or add a new run to work on within this project at any time. The date I've entered this run is shown here. My name has automatically been assigned, and I can add notes to my design both here and here. The only difference between the notes is that these in the lower section don't appear on the final design PDF. They are personal to me, the designer. I am now going to choose a product from the drop-down list. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to choose the QMax range. I can view a general description of QMax here. I now need to select a size within the range. If I'm not sure which size to choose, I don't need to worry. I can just roll over the question mark here, and the pop-up will give me some help. These help question marks are next to every input. This one is saying that I can ask the system to calculate the optimum size later on, so I don't need to be concerned about selecting the correct size now. For this demonstration, I'm going to select QMax 700. If I hold the cursor over the select button, it will show me a line diagram of the product. Then I just need to click here to confirm. Let's move on to the next stage of our design by clicking continue at the bottom of the screen. We are now on the rainfall intensity screen. If you already know the rainfall data for your project, enter the figures directly. The drop-down help gives you a more detailed explanation. In this demonstration, we'll use the rainfall location readings off the map, and I will change the return period to 2 years. Simply click on the map at your required location. In this instance, I'm clicking on Nottingham, and as you can see, all the rainfall data is automatically populated. I now need to choose a storm duration period. Here I'm selecting 5 minutes. I am now ready to move on to the next stage by clicking continue. In each area section, we define the catchment area of our project. The area shown is a default just to get you started. I will leave the permeability value at 1 for the sake of this demonstration. Starting on section 1, my chosen channel is QMax. I will increase my start and end widths from 10 to 15 meters and click Add. I now add my length and slope measurements and click Apply. All these changes are now visible on the catchment diagram. I now need to add a further section. By clicking Add Section, I can create as many as are necessary. The new section is highlighted in red and is now ready to be worked on. I input the size and slope information as before and click Apply. The final section is created in exactly the same way. I now set the inflow rate for the head of the run and press Apply. This value is now shown on the diagram. Any point flows that need to be added are set here. I'm going to add 2. Again, these are shown on the diagram when I click Apply. To amend any of the information on the plan, Click on the relevant section of the diagram. This highlights the data input area that can now be edited. Clicking Apply confirms any changes. It is worth mentioning that I can skip back to update or amend any data at any time by clicking on any of the top tabs like so. Okay, I'm now ready to move on, so I click Continue. The evaluation screen enables me to test my system. There are 3 options for doing this. Evaluate with chosen channel sizes, optimize channels per section, or optimize channels per 2 meter length. If I need any help, I can click on the Page Help button or on the Tooltips question mark for clarification of these testing options. I'm going to choose optimize channels per 2 meter length, and I click Test. Here are the results from the test. I can view either the channel hydraulics or the velocity flow profiles. I'm pleased to see the evaluation has proved that the design will be successful. This positive result now allows me to output the scheme as a PDF. However, if the scheme fails, I need to read the help sections on the page and adjust my design accordingly. If I continue to get negative results, I can email the ACO Design Services team. Okay, I'm now ready to create the PDF, so I click here. Here it is, ready for printing out. If we just go back to the software for a moment, you will see on the Evaluate page that there is a final option to stipulate attenuation within your design, if required. For this demonstration it isn't needed, so I've completed my design. The project is automatically saved on my control panel, and can be accessed and edited at any time. That completes this demonstration of the ACO design software. Thanks for watching.